Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Tonight guys, we're going to be putting the heads on the 6.0, the Afr heads. I wanted to do a video on just how to install the heads on this motor guys, so y'all would know how to install a set of heads on the LS. Or, you know, some people do it in their own way, but I'm going to show you how to do it the way that I do it tonight guys. And what I want to do is, what you need to do guys is, you can get this in a local parts store, and what it is copper coating. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to put a shout out to ARP head bolts. So let's get started guys. So first what I want to do is this is a MSL multi-layered head gasket, and a lot of people sell them guys. You can actually get them off of eBay. Some people say, are the eBay multi-layer head gaskets good? Yeah, I've used them. I use them on my motors. I've never had any issues with them. I've never had any problems with them, and I spray nitrous and stuff guys, but I've never had no major issues with them. But if you look right here guys, it'll have front wrote on it. You put these on guys, that these is facing to the front. Coat on them just like that right there guys. Pretty much so that you don't see the black part on the gasket. Just remember that your front's right there. Alright, I'm remembering that this is my front. So what I want to do now is turn it around and spray the back. Same way, I want to spray both sides of this gasket with this copper coating guys. And what this does is it puts a sticky film on the gasket so that it sort of helps seal the gasket better. Your front right there. So this is your front of your motor. You're going to set this head gasket down on here like this, on these dowel pins right here. And you're going to do it pretty much just like that. Look down through here, and I'm going to put the heads on the dowel pins just like that. And I want to push down and make sure they're sitting on the dowel pins. You got your long head bolts guys, and they're going to go, and you put your washers on them, which I've already done. And what you want to do is, your long bolts is going to go down through the center. Put all your long bolts with the washers down through the center, guys. Now, in this kit, you're going to have a long bolt and you're going to have a short bolt. There's 4 of these. Now, I'm going to show you where the short bolts go. You got one short one that goes here on the end, and then you're going to have another short one that's going to go here on the end. Now the rest of them is long down through here, and just the two end ones on the LS, and actually it's on a small block Chevrolet the same way. Your top ones, which are these right here, which is 10 millimeter, they're going to go right here guys. You got to run them, a run of them down through here. Okay guys, so what we want to do is, I got all the bolts run down on the heads on both sides. So what I want to do now is, you want to go through all your big bolts are going to be 50 pounds. You want to go 50 pounds the first go round, and then when you go the second go round, it'll be 75 pounds. X, you're going to go here and then here. This will be like 2, and then this, and then you want to go like an X, up and down, diagonal like an X. This will be 3. This will be 4. This will be 5 straight up. Then you're gonna come down here, this will be 7. This will be 8. This will be 9. This will be 10. So what you want to do, guys, is go back, and normally when I do them like that, I just go back over them, go around, and make sure that I got all of them. Okay, guys, I'm going to close the video out tonight. I hope y'all learned something from installing the AFR heads, guys, on the 6.0 liter. I want to thank everybody, guys, that's been subscribing to the channel, and I hope y'all been learning something from the videos. I try to do this in a sequence, guys, that somebody can learn something that don't know much about LSs. So if y'all have any comments, put them in the comments below, and I'll try to answer all the comments that I can, guys, and give y'all the best of the information that I can. But there again, guys, thanks for subscribing, thanks for the comments, and I'll see y'all on the next upload.